A1 English listening. Describing seasons and weather.
Hi, I'm Yuki. I live in Atlanta, Georgia. Today, I'm going to tell you about the weather in my city.
Right now it is mid-July, so it is summer. Today is beautiful and sunny, but it is very hot and humid.
In Atlanta, summer usually starts in early June and ends in mid-September. Summer is usually sunny, hot, and humid. Sometimes we have stormy afternoons. Summer is my least favorite season because I don't like the humidity. After summer comes fall. Fall usually begins in early October. The weather gets cooler, and the days are often sunny and windy. I like fall because it is comfortable. Then winter arrives in late December. Winter is usually cold and rainy. It rarely snows in Atlanta, but sometimes we get a little snow. By early January, it is usually cold every day.
Finally, spring begins in early March. Spring is usually warm, cloudy, and rainy. It is my favorite season because it is warm but not too hot. I also love the beautiful flowers.
Now, it's your turn. How is the weather today? What are the seasons like in your city? What season is your favorite? Why?